back to the start, but I just kind of want to show the views and the water, fishing boats. There's a lot here. Now we're gonna go up on the bridge real quick too. Ah, looks like a tour boat. That's nice. That's cool. Place to take selfies right there. Eco Tour Boat Ticket Office, yeah. Huh. I'm actually curious. I'm thinking about it. I don't know. Actually, I don't know if it's running. I don't think it runs this time of year. It looks like nobody's there, yeah. Boats don't run in the winter time in Korea. It's only summer and spring, fall. Can't really go anywhere by boat in the winter. Even to get to Ulleungdo, you have to wait until March, which I did last year. And to be honest, most Koreans don't even make it there. Here we go. So that place is like a little museum, nothing crazy. It's just got binoculars and it's all Korean anyways. Talking about the wildlife. Got some retards here taking selfies in the middle. Like a minute straight. Way off in the distance, the ocean. And you got some islands. A bridge that connects them. But yeah. Like I said earlier, it's all fresh water. It's just the winds are coming from the coast. But the water comes from that direction.